Hi, I'm Deborah from DeborahAdele's Craft Room. Today we're going to polyurethane the Mr. and Mrs. Santa, the elf, and the penguin that I've already made videos for. What we'll use, DuraClear gloss varnish. You can also use a satin varnish if you don't want it to be as shiny as these will turn out. This is from DecoArt. Let's get ready to varnish our pieces. Okay, I'm going to use a number 8 flat brush to varnish my pieces. I've already varnished the back with 2 coats. I'm going to turn it over and do the face. You put some varnish on the brush, quite a bit, and you just do long straight strokes. I put a little signature on before I started to varnish. Make sure it's nice and smooth. It might be a little cloudy looking, but it will dry clear. Okay, now I have this little rack here that my husband made. Here's Mrs. Santa. And set her down. There we go. Now I have the elf here. Same thing. Long strokes. You could use a wider brush if you wanted to, wider than an 8. Of course, it depends on the size of your gourds. 8 is the largest size I have, so that's why I use the 8. Make sure you get the nose on the elf. Up the front of the handle of the gourd. Okay, I have a place for this one over here. And then the penguin. Set it down to dry. The Mr. Santa is ready for his second coat. Okay. See how that looks? This protects the paint from being chipped off. It only takes a few minutes between coats. If you want your gourd to be shinier, you can put a third coat on. And there you go. 4 shiny gourds. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to varnish a gourd. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so that you'll be notified of any future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.